can piage.
Please, maybe we hear word for you.
Play.
So you manage to share word for the first time for your life.
I beg you. Play. Hey, Jimmy. Another one. Hi. You are lucky. Why this star just come out from me? Come out from me? What kind of thing is this? Go market. Pick two. Another 2.
Be coming down.
I tell you, said, let me use this game. Take win World Cup that time. Oh yeah, carry on. Continue.
All right.
Okay.
General market again, please.
Okay.
Top it up with a 2, please.
Right on the street, you know.
Top it up again with another 2.
Okay. You don't learn, Abi.
Go another general market.
You don't learn, Abi. You don't learn, Abi. Okay. Relax. Hold on. I'll continue. What am I go?
Mama, let's stick the mama.
Okay, see a bear. What are you playing? If you don't get and go market, my friend, let me play.
Why you never beche?
Wait a minute. Ebube. Ebelechi. Have you swept this compound today? There is no water in the house. You have not swept this compound. I don't even know if you still have kerosene inside the house so that you'll be able to cook. No firewood. People woke up this morning. The first thing that came into your mind is to start playing what? This early in the morning. Don't worry. Continue. See, that's 12 now. I play 12.
Tell me I put in the corner.
What's Mama the yam?
Mama's one K. Anything I say will do for you, go do it for you. May I just finish this game first.
When your own children grow up, maybe early in the morning they start smoking cigarettes. Are you making money from it? Mama be coming down, Be coming down, No, you be coming up. Don't worry, when you want food, you come and play. Is what you will eat.
This is the land. As you can see, it's very big. Very big.
Yes, very big. Honestly, the land is big and I love the land. But I will see your father first. If I can do it.
I don't have any problem about that. As you're seeing us, you're seeing our father. We represent our father. Actually, he's the one that asked us to go and sell this land, then use the money and solve some issues.
So what any issue? Every time that you see us here, we don't like they didn't use us like that. Yes, I love the land. And my son will also like the land. But let me go inside. Let's go inside so that I will see every part of the land. At least I have to use my eye to secure the land.
So from there, I will go to your house so you give us
my sons. Settlement is not the problem. I still insist that my good friend, Ndoka, I need to see him. I must see him.
And we are pushing you to pay because people are lining up for this land, this particular land now. So if you don't want it, if you're not interested,
no, I don't want to hear that. My son has been dreaming about this land.
Let's go. After this thing, let's go to your house. You settle laws. You're not interested in the house again.
My son has been dreaming about this land.
You're not the only person dreaming about this land.
I don't will you finish.
I shall go market.
Which can go market?
Mama, I don't do. Mama. What happened?
So he can selling you people's land.
Which land?
Your land, you people's land. You can because they are selling it now. And the buyer is also there.
They're mad. They walk their brain. Jennifer Nigga, not walk.
What is
no, what them doing?
Our own land?
Yes.
Hey! So what happened?
Land.
Iken and Ipuka, they are selling you people's land right now. The buyer is also there. The buyer is there right now.
For this village?
Eh?
They never born them. They never born them.
Bring me Papa Gun.
Ah, one time. That one for this village, they're mad. They don't walk them.
The buyer is there with them.
They are selling the land. My papa land.
Let me run and come and tell you people this news.
Bring them. Where? Ready? Oh yeah. Move it. For this town. That's from. What are you doing? Anything you want to say it with your mouth. Don't use bomb. Hey. Don't use the gun, no. Just say it with your mouth.
Nani, this land is very big. Very, very big. Tell your son everything. You even see that we pitied him.
Well, so now let us go to the house so you give us this money.
The money we are talking about is too much.
Nah,
5 million come now.
this land goes for 10 million, but even because of you, let's just...
Look at it. Who there? Wait! Idiot! Mother, come back! Your father! I will, I'm not normal. I will, but I'm not normal. Useless set of people. Ndiala. The point that way. That way. Hey! That one be your target. The tall one. That shot one, that's the target. That shot one, that's shot engine. Maybe. Okay, come here.
Shoot them. Shoot all of them. Shoot them.
Useless set of people.
Shoot them.
Look at the way they are running.
Look at them.
Target again. It's too good. No. Set.
Shoot.
You don't enter that. Give us.
Now shut all of them so that they know that my lioness is here.
Nonsense set of people. And then we'll go. Next time.
With this issue, I will deal with him. Just leave it for me.
Get another shot engine. The cannon, I know of you.
I don't want to tell you.
Diana. Diala. I will have no normal.
It's okay. Useless option.
Ogene kanazo. Gịnị ka na-azọ ka njọ ndị mmadụ na-ajọ obi.
Hey! Megbu mmadụ taa! We'll kill somebody today.
What is it?
We'll kill somebody today.
What is the problem? Since they want to be What mad, is it's the madness.
What is the problem?
Papa, it's a Bele Chuko. She wants to try me. Me! I will show them tricky now. Oh, where is weapon?
Hey!
Eh? Where is weapon? Eh? No weapon. Eh?
Draw something, put it. Open bottle, put it. Come, let's go. Mpa, get me. Get again.
I'm here.
Huh? Nede! You and your daughters again, eh? Look, Ikenna! Shoot them! Kill them! Scatter them! Bulldoze! Look!
I'm coming behind you. What is wrong?
Where are they? Bastards!
No, they are left. Let's go to their house.
No one are there. No, let them come out and fight.
Oh, I want to kill somebody. Now! Where are they?
Let's just go to their house now. Let's go there.
Let's go to their house. I think we should go there.
Yes,
Let's go to their house.
Get that animal.
Where are they now?
Get that one on. Come out here. Come and fight me.
You.
You think he's testing me with gun? All you watch everything. Come out and fight me. Where are you?
Where are they? Come out.
So where are they? Eh? Where is that witch that and her daughters?
Come out and fight me.
Oh, you think that
Get the gun. Bring it.
bring that gun!
Eh?
Bring it!
Come and fight me.
Nonsense!
Come and fight me now.
Hey!
Are you not scared? You think he's threatening me with gun?
Imagine.
Let's
Let's go. Bring the gun, let us go. Are you sure it's working?
Yeah, because we're going to go.
It's you.
Bring it, let's go.
Mama, give me the key now. Mama, are you not hearing this? They're destroying our things. Now, Mama, give me the key.
Let them destroy it. I will replace everything. Can't you see the enemy wants to suck blood? The devil wants to suck blood. I won't let that happen. But there are no money.
Mama, you hearing it? Mama, open the door. I want to kill that one they call Ebuka. I want to kill that one and take his dead body to his father. Open the door, Mama. Mama, bring the house key.
Why are you behaving as if I'm the enemy?
Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama, you're wasting time. Mama, oh, Mama, you don't understand. You don't follow our hands now. Open this door.
Carry your useless boys and leave that place, so. Why are you behaving like this? You keep my husband and you won't let us be in peace. He called a Kenuno. Kenuno, why am I going to the Madobrai? Ndoka!
Mama will take the key. Mama will take it. I need to kill Ebuka and take his body to his father. His dead body to his father.
Let's go.
Where are they now?
Huh? Let's go. Why are you throwing away your weapon? What are you doing? Let's go. I'm not a soldier. Let's go.
Ndị mmadụ na-aja obi. Ndị mmadụ na-aja obi. O wepụlụ nke nwanne.
Don't worry. See. You see that woman? Ned and her stupid daughters, I will deal with them. I will remove, in fact, I will rearrange their dental formula.
Papa, I will never allow those girls go scot-free.
What?
Although possible. It will be brought gun for me.
Small Libube. Hey.
We shall see. Brought her late father's gun to threaten me.
Okay.
Mama, I will deal with that girl. I must deal with that girl. We shall see.
Look, even all those lands, all those lands I allow them to farm on, I will collect all of them. I will, even the house. That house where they're staying. You know, I bet that house for my brother. I bet the single-handedly. I bet the house without any help from anywhere. I will collect that house. In fact, I will chase them out of the house, chase them out of the land, chase them out of the community, out of the kingdom. In fact, I will look. Don't worry.
Papa, now that things are like this, how are we supposed to sell that land tonight? Because he will refuse to buy it.
Don't worry. Let that not bother you. Let it not bother you. I will handle it my own way. I know what to do.
Papa, you better do something. You better do something on time before that girl writes on everyone in this family. Papa, you better do something fast.
Don't worry. I will deal with them. Good. Yes.
Mazindoka has never wanted me in this family. You see this war that is going on, it is not today. Do you know he was manipulating your father at some point? And has kept doing it because today he is manipulating the elders against us. All in the name of hating me. You see this war going on, it did not start today. It started way back, even when I got married into this compound newly. That man, do you know he brought another woman for your father to marry?
What?
Yes! But do you know the about go to me see? That house that idiot is living in, it was your father's sweat he used to build that house.
Oh, Jesus.
See, Mama, I swear, even if it's the last thing I do on this earth, I am going to collect that house from him.
Mama?
I swear.
Mama. Mama, they will be homeless. You see, Uncle Ndoka and his sons, they will be homeless because they've been trying us and enough is enough. Mama, now you will respect us. Say respect. Now you will respect. If not, hairs will roll, Mama.
Who said we say respect? Who don't respect Mama for this kind matter now?
Am I the enemy?
I don't see you. You don't exist.
Chileke me.
I don't see you.
Akunafugo.
I tell you, Mama, Uncle Ndoka and his sons have done enough. And it's time for me to give them a return match.
Back to back.
And Oga the bloody. Oga the bloody.
Do you know that your father, because of Ndoka's manipulation, was giving Ndoka money to save for him? Until Nchanya Red collected the savings from him and started saving your father's money. Then we were newly married. It was until I saved the money and saved the money and saved the money, we were able to erect this house. But I don't know what would have happened to us.
Koye, deep down me, I believe you don't have any proof that you built this house. Yes. On the contrary, if you do, bring it, let us see now.
Nai.
Yes.
Nai, why are you talking like this? Eh? Why are you talking like this? I called you people here to come and settle matter for me. That my elder brother here is ejecting me from the house I built with my own money.
Imagine.
I sent this my elder brother here money every end of the month. Nai, I sent him money for sand. I sent him money for cement. I even sent him money for laborers. Now I am back to live in my own house that I built with my own hard-earned money. And he's telling me to leave the house for him. Nai, how is that possible? Who does that?
Inako rubbish. Inako nonsense. You're saying arrogant nonsense. Legi, you sent me. Ijego, how much do you have? Do you have money? Do you have money? I did not see one kobo from this idiot. This house belongs to me. If you know what is good for you, pack your things and leave your useless wife and leave my house. Leave my house!
Nduka is here. Is here. Is he wicked?
Nai, tell him.
You lie, yes. Everybody know that it's your brother that built this house.
Oh!
Yes!
Tell him.
His plan was to give you 2 rooms. And him and his wife 2 rooms. And now, you want to chase him out of his own house? Ha! Nduka.
I can see you're a useless man.
Even though, with his pregnant wife, where is your conscience? Eh?
You are a useless man. I say he has bribed you. My mother will fire you. Fire you. You're a useless man.
Nduka, you see this house? I am not going anywhere. Nduka, where were you when I was suffering?
You left Oron and came back here to come and claim this house with me.
Nduka,
to fight me.
Nduka, where were you?
Okay.
When I was a fisherman, Nduka, where were you? There is nothing I did not do to make money for you to build this house for me.
After lavishing your money, you came here to come and claim my house.
Nduka, I feel like struggling you, Nduka.
Challenge me.
Nduka, I feel like killing you. You see,
and your elder brother.
You cannot do anything. End that brother in my own property. End that brother in my own property.
Nemo. Why are you here? What happened?
It's your older brother. He locked the whole rooms and asked me to leave.
Nduka. Where is he?
Obim, that is not the issue. Leave him alone.
This is serious. Why is Nduka doing this to me?
Hey, Mama.
Eh? Is it because condition turned so badly for me? When I was in money, this same Nduka is all around me. Hey, you see why you don't need to trust anybody in this life. You see?
Obim, see, I want us to talk. Sit down. I know why he is doing all this. Don't worry about your elder brother right now. Eh? Why he is doing all this? Because you refuse to marry the lady he brought for you. Eh? And he's using this medium to wicked me. Okay? Sit down. Obim noroke nana. See, what I want to say now, I know it will sound somehow. See, I want you to return back to Oron. Yes.
Why? Why will I go back to Oron? Besides, I don't have any money on me. I don't want to go back to Oron and start roaming around without doing anything.
Hey, See, I've begged my mother for some money. And I will go back to my father's house and wait for you there. Just look at it. He has taken virtually everything. I saw this coming. But no, you didn't believe me. You keep saying these are women's talk. But now, look at it. He has collected everything. And the elders are supporting him, saying that you do not have proof of ownership.
What proof does he have? I've provided the receipt for everything. I provided receipt for sand. I provided for block. I provided for cement. What proof does he have?
Obi, let's leave your elder brother now. Just prepare to go back. I will be perfectly okay in my father's house. Okay? Since the elders are not settling this matter anytime soon, please. I beg of you, please.
Nduka, you will know no peace. As long as you are in this house, you and your children, you will suffer. Nduka.
Then I was newly pregnant with your sister. I told your father, let us leave this community. We left the city, we sojourned. We made money. In that small pregnancy, why did I was saving the money. Anything that I want to eat, I will deny myself. I was saving the money. That was how this house came to stay. Because if I had made the mistake of giving him the money to build the house, by now I would have been living on top of trees. Because that man, you see, him for all I'm also okay.
Mama, why you gonna tell me this kind of story now? Now for me to come, they feel alright. No, am I supposed to be happy? Why you gonna tell me this kind of story now? See, I got who do Dukan in so.
See,
they go hear from me, oh.
Careful.
And I tell you.
That man is very diabolical.
Mama, it's just you now, we will collect that house from them. Now, I don't. No, that's the final. We will collect that house. Mama, wait, make I tell you. We will collect that house from them. That is final. If you don't want to do with the house, we will rent it out. Yes, we will rent it out to another stranger. Which guy you
Where are you going?
So what happened? For what, sir?
Are we done with that? I thought we were having a meeting, a family meeting. God was on them and get this serious.
Is something wrong? So you want to try something wrong with you? Something wrong with you?
Who is that? Who is that? What?
Hey! I've been my son. Hey!
I will kill you. I will kill you.
Hey, can you be mama? Hey!
Let me see the shots that will cross this land. Thieves! Don't mind them. Sister, be fast. You know we have other papa's land to go and barricade with Omo. And we don't have all day. Madam, take.
Don't rush me. Anytime I will finish, reach that place, even if na night, I don't fear anybody.
Sister, I'm not afraid too. I'm not afraid at all. But we have to finish on time so we can go and stay with Mama. Let's be fast.
Come, don't hurry me like that.
Don't mind that useless set of people. What do they call that man?
I dey shift first.
I dey shift. See, add this one. Might do this too. We need to get to that shoe. When we get to that one, we will now cut this way. Let me see how they will come and do nonsense here again.
Babe, what is it now? Why don't you want to accept my friendship? Go tell them now.
Okay now. I said no.
Why?
I don't want to be your girlfriend now. You that dated my girlfriend and cheated on her. Now, you want me to be your girlfriend. Besides, you don't even have any vision in this village. You that depends on your father for everything.
Please.
You need to
Just shut up, my friend. Is it because I'm toasting you, sir?
Be a man.
Is it because I'm toasting you? That's why I'm making noise. Is it because I'm toasting you? Just take your time over. Your brothers are they better than me?
You know.
Are they better than me?
You know. They are better than you. They are doing well. They are hardworking.
Yeah. Mind the way you talk to me, because if I rape you now, they will say I've started.
See, just clear road. Clear road. Baby, talk to this bagger.
Chief, sorry.
If I heard you now, another more. Give him more. Idiot. Now who break the bucket? And where the gun dey? Exactly.
The gun.
Where the gun dey? Talk now.
The gun dey house.
Face like this.
You know we are cousins. And it won't be good if you people harm me.
Put that one help.
No,
put that one help. Enter bush. Enter bush.
I've got one noon.
Hey, I will hit you.
Daddy.
Hey, these children, they will not kill me before my time. What kind of a day be here in Kachiputra Nigwe? Trouble everywhere. I'm tired. Hey! How can you see Corona?
That is the witch. Arrest her.
What is going on here?
Madam, where are your daughters?
I don't know where they are.
Where are your daughters?
I don't understand.
Where are those rascals you call your daughters?
I don't know where they are.
Where are those rascals you call your daughters?
I don't know where they are.
They came to my house, scattered my things, destroyed everything, and beat up my last son. Where are they?
Did I send them to come to your house?
You sent them. I know that.
Madam,
you sent them. Were you there when I sent them? Move what? Who are
Arrest
you?
her!
Move it!
Who are you? Tell me who you are. You're not even on uniform. You never move it. Move it. Move it to where?
Why are you wasting time?
Where are we moving it to?
Madam, you are pushing me to the wall. I'll push you.
Push me now. Where is your ID card? I demand it to see it. It's my right. Bring it. If what you said half and half. Then move it. So that means you don't know. Oh, you don't know who you are. Maybe a kidnapper. Hey! Ndoka!
Go, bring her!
Leave me alone. I can go by myself. Are you kidnapping me? If it's arrest, I can go by myself. I don't know why you should arrest me without telling me.
What is it?
Why are you arresting Mama Ebube? Nah, this is trouble.
Look at this one. Look at
Please,
this one.
go and look for my children. Tell them that this man arrested me with one man. Look at the man. Look at the shirt, the way he buttoned his shirt. Look at his belt. I don't even want to say the one he's wearing on his legs. He claims he's police. Go and tell them. They've not told me the station they're taking me to, and they did not tell me my offense. Go and tell my children to begin to look for me in every police station in this community.
Okay, Mama.
Go and call my children. Tell them I'm going to the police station.
Come, hold that problem.
Come on, left me here now.
We must hear. This one is very wicked.
Come on, out of here.
Look front now. It must be fair.
Move her.
Police, Mbo.
Bring him out. That's animal. That's nitwit. That's the composed element. Where is that wicked man that goes there? That practical bastard. Why you? Everyone come out. Say, I will end this. I will break this door today. I will end this door. Come out. We're going to end it all today. Let's end it all today. Eh? Useless of people. I don't blame you.
saw my mother with the police people.
Yes, I saw them. I'm very, very sure I saw them.
Hey. Which police do you think they belong to?
I don't really know, but I think he's the one at Oji.
Hey, sister, let us go and bring out our mama first. Make sure you go sleep for that police cell. We can come back for these people later.
Pray nothing happens to my mother. Ha! I will pull that. Hey, I can't sleep there. Come over there. Hey, I can't sleep there. Let us go. Go. Show us the place. Hey? My own mother.
Hey. God, how can we defeat these girls? But thank God Papa arrested their mother. Papa should help us fight this fight, because this fight, it's not what one person can do.
Hey. You know what happened to you? Aye. My sister.
They attacked you too?
Why are you holding your head? Aye!
Ndo. They attacked Papa and now you. Check, is blood coming out?
No. You don't mean it?
They said that because we broke their bucket. Nah, those. Are you sure we are men? We are not men at all. We are not men. We just sit down. Let us nurse our pain together.
Where is Papa?
Papa went to arrest their mother. They just left here a few minutes ago. They came with Nkechi.
Nkechi?
Now Nkechi, your girlfriend. See, Ikenna, sometimes I wonder, what gives these girls this strength? The kind of power that they have. How can those girls overpower us? They are powerful, they are fearless, they are brutal. See, Ikenna, I've come to the conclusion that those are the real men. We are just photocopy.
Come on, shut up.
We are photocopy.
What are you talking? We are real men. We are strong. One day we are going to defeat them.
When?
I said one day or some when. We are going to defeat them. Don't mind that grab that they are doing. Do you understand? We are men. We will fight them one day.
Is you?
Yes, believe me. Believe it in your heart.
Don't fight me. I will not fight again. Not after what they did to Papa and I today.
Let me go inside and rest. Hey.
Sorry, Ndo. Are you sure blood is not coming out from this thing? Kai. Ndo. I was attacked too. Well, I'm coming.
Don't let me to come and attack you there too. Come and give me hot water.
The people that you were supposed to attack, you did not attack them.
Ndoka, why did you arrest your late brother's wife? Why did you bring the matter to us?
No, I won't do that. Because this is the method, right? The style I have chosen to deal with them.
Because he gave me money and nobody you did it, you can do it. Chukunu. Don't worry. Ishike.
Is that the right thing to do?
You ask him. No, you asking me that. Yeah?
Yes, is that the right thing to do?
Look at these two. Are they even women?
Ask yourself.
In fact, I don't know. These two rascals. If you see what they did to my two sons. I want me to sit down. Please.
They are women as shameless man.
Nedi, but you know it's barbaric.
I'm not going nowhere.
Nedi, go do Ike. Zoike, this is barbaric.
You go there again.
Not cause one problem na community.
One day, that's your stomach. They will bust it. Don't mind your business.
So you can't talk again.
Usually come direct. If you want to talk to me direct. Not you go through corners. Must I answer you?
Okay. What is really going on here? Why are they fighting again? Must we always come here to settle dispute?
Of course. As long as it keeps making trouble with us, you people will keep coming here to settle it.
Let me take it that you just asked me one of the most reasonable questions since you were born. Even though you're not reasonable. Because I see all of you as the same thing now. Don't be red. This morning I was on my own. They came to tell me that this useless uncle of mine, this practical bastard, this rotten, dismissed squirrel, have the guts to sell the land to this useless man, this retarded fellow in yellow clothes. Amuswa. Were you expecting me to fold my arms and do nothing? So they can sell my father's land?
Oh yeah.
Is that done anywhere?
See, let me tell you. Let me just tell you. You don't have any single right to fight for land in this community.
Eh?
You can only do that in your husband's house.
Finished.
Not here.
She will not fight over her own father's property.
Yes.
Eh? How about when this one is not alive? Who would have inherited it? You?
Mama, I told you to not to say a single word in this meeting. Let me face them. So because I am not a man, that's why you want to sell my father's properties.
Okay, now.
Are Okoye's properties your property?
No, tell them the truth. Yeah, listen. Your father had no male child. Okay. In fact, let me tell you something. You have no right to any land in this community. That's the one I gave to you. And that is why, in fact, the reason I allow you to farm on those lands.
Makagoro.
Yes, so you don't go hungry.
Makagoro.
Eh? I don't want to be told that my late brother's daughters are hungry. You know, therefore they can do anything. You understand me? That is why, and you know, now my kind-heartedness, my large-heartedness has been turned against me.
Oh.
They not use it against me.
Uncle.
Yeah?
Uncle. You are talking in the nonsense, arrant nonsense. Why be here never meeting on? And Pacharanya, Just leave this idiot. Let me talk to him. So, because my father did not give birth to a man, you want to sell my father's properties?
Wait a minute.
You're a psychophanetic idiot. A classless fellow. An Irish peacock, a nobody. You are worthless. Come and sell the land, let me see you now. Come and sell it.
He did not sow. Idiot.
Come and sell the land, let me see you. In fact, news flash. You see the house you're living in? It's time for you to pack out of the house. Ozubo, Ozubo. You know why? I am going to collect it from you.
But,
Uncle, Nduka, there was anymore. Oh, girls some colors. One time.
Oh, okay, colors. You know, colors, colors. You colors,
Enough. Enough. Nduka is right.
Oh.
Yes. Your mother did not give birth to a male child for her late father. And so you have no right to be fighting with him over land and property.
Tell them.
You should stop this fight here and there.
Oh. Tell them.
In that case, from today henceforth, I declare myself a man.
Oh Lord!
With capital letter M.
Shut up! I said shut up!
Man, woman.
You cannot be a man. That's a known fact.
Let the dragon begin.
I said shut up!
Don't tell me shut up again, no. I go enter you. Huh?
Shut up!
I go enter you.
And listen to what I want to say. This is what I want you guys to do. That barricade you put over those lands, go and remove them now.
Period! It will never be removed today, tomorrow, or forever. One. Final. That is my father's land. And you know what? I think we are done with this meeting. We are done with this meeting. Eh? Take your shredded, useless, retarded, good for nothing, stinking Lekatis Benz out of my father's compound right now. Bounce!
Are you threatening?
Bounce! Bounce it!
Oh no!
Let me tell you before you become colors, you go forward. Let me tell you, because you are declared a man, and a woman by declaration. No, okay, I almost community.
I can put it anywhere.
That is and let me tell you something. Start going!
Ndoka, let's go. We shall see.
Start going!
Let's go.
So you are trying to...
Move it!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Start going, John. Bounce!
It's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Bounce!
They are trying to...
I cannot go with you. We shall see. Offer? You know that.
I beg move, fast forward.
What?
Nonsense. Useless set of people. They are
You know my joy in this woman.
Ogini gịnị ka a na-azọ ka njọ ndị mmadụ na-ajọ obi ndị mmadụ na-ajọ obi o wepụlụ nke nwanne ilo na-asị ajaka ilo na-asị ajaka ilo na-asị ajaka na-achọgbulu onwe ya onye m raka iji onye m raka iji ezi onye raka iji onye m.
Why haven't you dealt with those urchins? Now, you allow them to subdue you and your sons.
No, it's not possible. That cannot be. You know that. It's not possible.
And I say it's not possible, as if you're not seeing what is happening. See, Neddy's daughters behaves like men, while your own sons behaves like women. Are you not seeing it? In our physical Ha!
Alele. Those guys have the effrontery, the temerity to barricade that land with Omu. Omu? Hey!
Yanajo. See, my good friend, I want you to use your number 6. Yes, so. As for the building, you know they are very right. That house belongs to their late father.
But who told them? That's the question. Who told them? How did they get to find out?
Who would have told them if not their mother? Neddy, of course. That evil woman. Inajo, who told them? Okay, I'm more Guazilea. Huh?
It's okay. No, it's okay. I know exactly what to do. Maybe nga noroze mpia.
You have to act fast, too.
Let's go.
Fast.
Let's go. I know what to do.
Okay, Bob, let's see. You know what to do.
I know exactly what to do.
Yeah.
Okoye.
My brother.
Yeah.
This is the land I want to build for us. From here to this place, you know. This.
Okoye, but this land belongs to our late grandfather.
Yes.
And by right, it is ours now since he's no longer here with us. Man, Okoye, things are not favorable for you right now. You are struggling in the city. Why not wait for now? At least you should be able to make some money and become financially stable.
I understand, but we don't have a home. I mean, where we can call our house. We don't have a home. And Papa's house is already collapsing to 4. And the other day, you staying in your friend's house, I saw what the wife was doing the other day. It was so embarrassing. I can't allow it. Insulting you and your wife is not good.
Ijuwa, what can I do? I'm only a squatter. I don't have money.
See, my brother, don't worry about the money. Though I've saved some little money that I will be sending to you for us to build this place. But the most important thing is for you to supervise the work. Okay? Don't worry about the money. I will take care of it. You know, that your friend, I don't even like him. I don't like him because the way the wife is insulting you and your pregnant wife. If we finish building this place now, you and your wife, your pregnant wife, can pack into one room. At least we have a house of our own. Okay?
Hey, Koye, what can I ever do without you?
If I know if you have the money, we do the same thing I'm doing now.
Koye, one name. Thank you so much.
As my brother.
Thank you.
I greet you. All right.
So, when are you going back to the city?
Before the week runs out.
I will think of traveling.
Okay,
so we can
just
start something from here. We just take the measurement from here to down there, you know.
So I'll call some boys now to just start clearing. So
yes,
start clearing
yes,
and then...
just clear it so that
clearing,
it will be. Brother, I want to get married to Ned.
Are we still on this matter? No, now. You cannot marry Ned now. Don't worry. There's somebody I'm grooming for you. Her name is Janet. She's the best choice for you, and she's the one you get married to. Oh, don't worry. Not that Ned. You can't marry that kind of person.
I don't think you're understanding what I'm saying. I cannot marry her. She's older than me. Moreover, she's disrespectful.
I can include Basara age. Forget about age and about those things. She's rich. Janet is rich. She's made. She's extremely rich. She will help us. Take us out of this misery place we stay.
Now I see where all this is coming from. So you want me to marry Janet because of your selfish interest? Anyway, brother, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I cannot marry an old woman because of money. And I cannot trade my heart for Janet. I love Ned, and she's the one I'm going to marry. There is nothing anyone can do about it.
Okoye, read my lips. You will marry Janet, and that is final. Who has come over you? Oh, you think because you've grown taller than me, or because you have beards, you talk back at me? You will marry Janet, and that is final.
See, brother, sit down. It's not like that. It's not like that. We are talking about marriage here. When looking for a woman to marry, you have to be very careful. I don't want to marry a woman because of money or because she's rich or whatsoever.
Okay, look at the future. Focus on the goal. Janet has money. This other girl, what do you call her? Nedi. She's a liability. Janet has money to take care of us, to take us out of this misery. How can you accept to marry my younger brother after several years of wooing you? Yeah, you want him for yourself, I know now. How can you refuse me? Muabunduka, you refuse me for that stupid human being.
Nduka, see, you are a married man. And I do not have feelings for married men. Do you understand? I don't want to marry you.
Okay, see me. Yeah, you have feelings for my younger brother, yeah?
Now, he is young and vibrant. In fact, he is handsome. And you are not. All I just want is for you to understand me. Allow me, Jejele Nwayoli. Do you understand? Let me just marry him. It's my choice, okay?
See, Ned, I can take care of you.
Oh, see?
See, I know I'm married. I can divorce her if you want and make you my first legitimate wife. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, I have divorced her. Ogiwa Kamcho, I want you to be my wife. Yeah? You don't have to settle down for my younger brother. I am the right choice for you.
Hey! Who did that? Nduka, you want to marry me? You want to divorce her? When you married her, did anybody force you? Love or by force? Can't you go all by force? Leave me alone. I have told you, allow me marry him, Jejele Nwayoli, and you are still talking about Onyi Choro, Onyi na Choro. Allow me, leave me alone, please. Don't stop me on the way again for this. Go and face who face you. Allow me marry who I want to marry. As you can see now, I am young, and I want a young person. Do you get me? Atra is going to Biko kwa na kwa. Nedi.
You have the guts to work out on me. Yeah, you have the effort to work out on me. What's over there? There is no problem at all. Let me see how you marry him. You will not marry that girl. You will never marry her. Never. She's a worthless girl. She's a very stupid and a very useless woman, but you never marry her. You can't know ya. You will marry Janet, and that is fine now.
Brother, it's not by shouting, no. You see on this one, I will disobey you. It's Ned or nobody else. See, I did not ask you to give me money. All I am asking is to follow me to their house. That's all.
Oh,
where's the NC?
You have made money your career. You have made small dirty money. And you think you can challenge your career? Now let me tell you, you must marry Janet, and that is fine now. Because I will never escort you anywhere. I will not follow you. On the mortgage road. I will not follow you anywhere. On the mortgage road. You will not marry her. You must marry Janet.
Okay, I've told you.
Nonsense.
I did not say you should give me money. You're not a witch. Nonsense. What do you mean? Oh, don't mind this. Don't mind him. Can you tell me not to marry someone I'm in love with? Are you okay? Nonsense. No problem. Don't mind him. Don't mind him. I'm very fine. I'm okay. I'm okay. You know, you give me joy. Don't mind this, my small winch brother. It's communicating. It's communicating. I don't know what. Don't. Nothing will come in between me and my love. Nothing. Not even you, Ndoka. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. Come, let's go. Don't mind it. Don't mind that.
Ndoka, why are you worried about Nedi and your younger brother Okoye?
Nze, I love that girl. See, I love her so much. She's the only thing that matters to me in this life right now. And I want to get married to her. I want her for myself and not my brother. That boy, that Okoye has taken everything from me. From childhood. I deserve to be with that girl and not him. I'm obsessed with her right now. But my problem right now is she's not looking my way.
Look, follow your younger brother to her place. Allow him to marry her. Then you know what?
What?
Then you take over by fire by force. Don't you understand?
What are you saying? Are you saying that someone can actually stop a woman from giving birth to a male child?
I will take you there. Then when you are done with her, you will see.
Sounds interesting. Wow. So, after everything I did to this woman, she still refused to come to me. She refused to be with me. Hey. Okay. I know what to do. By the time I finish with her and her daughters, they'll be running from pillar to post. From post to pillar. And then we shall know between two tortoises which one is male. My sons.
Yeah, Papa.
But the nurse said she give us 3,000 naira for treatment.
3,000 naira. Okay, don't worry, I'll go and see.
Papa, what are you doing based on the case at hand now? You know, we need to collect that land, sell it, and leave this village.
Yes.
Yeah?
Papa, it's true. We cannot be running from Ebube and Ebelechuku now. Small girls. They can't be challenging us over our father's property. Our property. That's not right now.
It's okay. Let me go and see Nurse Eliza first. When I come back, we discuss that one.
If you give him don't stretch it for me, please. Eh? Here we go. Easy. Hey!
Let me stand up so I'll do this thing well.
Hey! Chimo!
Don't.
You see, man, I go up talking this one.
The truth of the matter is this. Son, I mean, a nature. That's why Ndoka is doing everything that he can to collect everything that belongs to your late husband.
Is it my fault that I don't have male children? Or did I have male children and they said I killed them?
It's not.
I have daughters. And those my daughters are children. They're equally human beings. Everybody's behaving as if this hatred of Ndoka started today. As if it started overnight. It is a hatred that has lasted for years. So he hates me and my children. That is why he's doing everything possible to frustrate us. But he cannot succeed. Trust me, he cannot. I'm going to sink it on ish.
Eku na wine bụ nwa. Agree.
Thank God you know that wine be fair.
But I will still advise you. Let them take it easy. Habutu, let them calm down. What marvels me most is how are they able to beat up these two grown-up adults like and then able to cheetah, cockroach.
I'm happy you know about that. You heard it.
Yes, I did.
That is to tell you, my girls are men inside. They have physical strength, waka, like their late father. Yes, let them keep coming, and they will keep beating them. If you bring 10 men here, my children will bring those men down. Yes! Take it easy, so that they will keep molesting them. It's not possible.
Okay. All the same, I will tell you, please advise them to go and remove the Omo. In this battle they are fighting for, that they are men. It will feel an easy case. But since they are women, they are bound to fail.
The battle is existing because they are women. If they were men, Ndoka will not dare cross. The men would have crushed him. Even at that, my daughters will not just be watching people to cut away their father's property. Man walk, no? Who does that? Because they are women, they will not fold their hands and allow Ndoka take over their father's property. And if Ndoka has men to give me, I will pay to collect them. But these ones I have, I am proud of them. As long as they're in this house as my children, they will keep fighting for me and my late husband. It's not possible that they will watch because they're women, and so what? Go and tell them I say so. Because then I'm going inside. If they are selling men, they should give me one. I will buy. Mama, we wanted to discuss something with you.
Is there any problem, my daughters? What is it?
We are having all this problem in this family because we were unable to give Papa a male child, right?
My daughter, is it my fault? Incidentally, that is the kind of culture and society we are all born into. That's the why I brought
Mama, that's not true. We won't keep that one aside. We have decided to adopt a son from the orphanage. Yes, Mama. Someone who will be able to take over Papa's name. Mama, we're in a decision to adopt a new child that will give Papa's name. So when we get married, we take care of this family so that all these new habits and everything will stop. Because I don't want to.
Mama, let peace reign. Let peace reign. I don't want this. Just forget it. Leave it. Own them, we go. The sleeping dog lie.
For that building. I must collect that building from Monica. To God.
What I'm saying is that you should stop fighting. You know, we are girls. No man will come to ask for your hands in marriage. Because let's forget about it. In fact, no fighting again.
Mama, I beg. I beg you. I will see you. Mama, we wanted to discuss something with you.
But is there any problem, my daughters? What is it?
We are having all this problem in this family because we were unable to give Papa a male child, right?
My daughter, is it my fault? Incidentally, that is the kind of culture and society we are all born into. That's the why I brought
Mama, that's not true. We won't keep that one aside. We have decided to adopt a son from the orphanage. Yes, Mama. Someone who will be able to take over the basket. Mama, we will decision to adopt a new child that will give Papa's name. So when we get married, we take care of this family so that all these new habits and everything will stop. Because I don't want to.
Let peace reign. Let peace reign. I don't want this. Just forget it. Leave it. Own them, Biko. The sleeping dog lie.
About that building. I must collect that building from Monica. To God.
What I'm saying is that you should stop fighting. You know, we are girls. No man would even come to ask for your hands in marriage. Because let's forget about it. In fact, no fighting again.
Mama, I beg you. I will see you.
Oh, my sister. So where are you going?
Mama, I'm going to go to Naija. This is our decision on other.
Is it good? I'm not talking about whether it's good or bad. My own is that you should stop fighting. Because any man that wants to come and ask for your hand in marriage, the person will be afraid that people one day will beat him to death.
I'm happy to go to your marriage. I'm happy to go to your marriage. For now, we need to adopt a male child that will take after Papa's name. So that our wicked uncle Ondoka and his sons will not mess up with us again. That is the point here.
Look, you have to help me. I don't need my sons to travel out. Please.
My good friend, I will tell you the basic truth. I can't ask my son for any money again. Since there is no land where he can build on. You are talking about 5 million here, not 5,000.
Look. I know about that. For now, the matter on hand is serious. I want them out. Let them go first.
You see, my problem with you is that you are still pampering these old men. They are no longer small children of yesterday. They have grown. You keep on fending for these boys. When are you going to allow them to hustle for themselves and know that money is not easy to get?
You know I have tried my best in that respect. Yeah? I've sent them overseas on 2 occasions. They got deported back to Nigeria.
And you want to send them again without finding out the cause?
I know the cause. That's what I'm telling you. I know the cause. I know what is happening. Ned is a witch. That woman, she's a witch. Terrible witch. Look, she's the one witch hunting my sons. She's witch hunting their progress. That is what I mean. But don't worry. By the time I'm through with them, by the time everything will end. Don't worry about that.
My problem now is that you have sold all your good lands. Irechagoha. And your children use the money to chase after little girls in this community. Your son, your big son, was busy doing big man in the village. Gallivanting, chasing.
See them. Evil people. Dojo. You. I am your worst nightmare. By the time I am done with you, Ndoka, you and your sons, they won't be able to recognize this your coconut head again. I will deal with both of you. I have my eyes on you.
That is why I'm asking you. Where do I get a good native doctor? It's not deal with this idiot.
Look, it's not what you'll be saying outside here. All these walls you are seeing, they have ears.
I know. Walls have ears. Even inside the house, there are walls, and the walls have ears too. In fact, they have eyes. But I don't care.
Let us
deal
look
with
for a
this
place where we can discuss this.
You can set a portable. You know, that's this thing behind there.
All this set up a table is not what you say outside. The walls have
Ibube, how much did you say you need again?
I said I want 200,000 naira, Ogochukwu. So what is this one you yarn for this place? You don't enter your brain.
200,000 naira. Hey, you know I don't have that kind of money. You know I don't have. But you can try Lapo now.
Which one be Lapo again?
Lapo is one agency that used to give people money. They used to give individuals money. That's where my elder brother collected money from that he used to open his shop.
Is it a lie?
It's the truth.
Just like that, they will just give me money.
It's not just like that, oh. They have conditions. They have conditions, that requirement that you have to meet. But it's a simple thing, you can meet it.
Tell me more. I am interested. I really need this money.
Calm down. You will get the money. Is it not 200,000? You will get it. I don't know why you are. I'm the one that introduced Lapo to you now. I will take you there. Relax. You will get it.
You don't understand how much I need this money.
You
Seriously.
will get it.
Just pray they don't disappoint me.
They won't. They give individuals money. Every day, anytime. Just meet their requirements and you get the money. Simple.
Listen to me, please. Don't be worried. Don't trouble yourself, okay? Calm down. I said you shouldn't worry yourself. Don't worry. I said you should calm down. Please. Okay? When you come back to the country, we'll talk about it. Please. Thank you. For now, let me attend to something else, okay? I'll talk to you in the evening. Yes, later in the evening I'll call you. Alright then.
Hello, ma. Yes, ma. I got your number from the secretary, ma. From your secretary, yes. Okay, ma. Ma, please, when will you be chanced? Okay, ma. Okay. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Edward, where are you? To go and do what by this time of the night? Am I not to go late?
All right. No problem.
Of course I am with you people. It's a welcome development. It's just that I am worried about your uncle. Before he will come warring against us, I don't know.
Mama, forget that man. Forget that our useless uncle. I'm talking about something very important here. I'm talking about that wicked uncle.
I'm
happy when I go.
Of course.
Oh, why? It's so bad. Hey, but when are you coming back? It's getting late, oh. Oh, please, hurry up.
This late? Come back now. The times are not good. It's already late.
Okay, see you soon, oh. Hey, Mama, oh. I can't wait to have a younger brother, oh. I can't wait, Mama.
That girl, I don't know where her eyes are. How did she discover Lapo? The people are borrowing money from Lapo.
We spoke, Mama. That is the truth, though.
Lapo is those small savings your father them used to do.
Yes,
They were saving money. Now they developed it into a big bank, like a microfinance.
Mama.
So they're giving small money. So how could she have?
I think he's Oko.
You have a point. I was wondering.
Mama, Nico! Oh my God.
That says the mother will not sleep at night. She'll be ready to stay awake except for one night. Ebube, you are a pain in my ass. A girl like you, you are giving me so much trouble. Hey. From now on, as soon as you wake up and come out, behold the daylight, you will run mad. Yeah, Allah, you will run mad. Not about stark naked. You will run mad. Madness is your portion from this moment onwards.
Papa, how did he go?
Perfectly well. Perfectly okay. Hey.
Wonderful. This is a good news.
Look. Ebube shall become a mad woman. Raving mad. As soon as she wakes up first thing in the morning and steps out of the house. Ha!
Papa, I have never been so proud of you being my father like I am now.
Hey! Buying our go pieces. Ebube, you're finished.
Yeah.
Once you wake up in the morning, you go 1, 2, 3, Nigugu.
Let's go and see.
Now I can sleep in peace.
Okay, Utocha. I don't know what is wrong with you. Ebube, nah.
Yo! Hey. Mama, careful. Just be safe. Careful. Anya, don't go making trouble with anybody.
Mama, what's the moment?
I know what you mean. No, hasn't gotten to that.
No, fault with the
maybe I'm sorry. I know. Madam, take care of Mama and the house. I don't want to see you with all those useless village boys. Sister me. I never been home with village boys. I deal with correct ones, eh? Hey, Mama, can tell you I'm not about that. Let me escort. I'll be back soon. Come here. Be careful, though.
Mama, I go see you. You know you are fair. They will think you have all the money. Come back and do it. Oh, and I'm also an abbey.
Neddy! Who is in this house? Who is there? It's me.
Oh.
Good morning. Where are my late brother's children? Where are they?
They just went out.
Went out? To where? Where is everybody?
Yes, is anything the matter?
Oh, no. There's no problem at all. I just want us to end this fight.
You don't seem to be fine this morning. Are you alright?
That is what I'm telling you. This fight has lingered so long. I want us to end it. So I want us to hold a family meeting this evening. So tell them, please. I want to see everybody, let us gather. You know, we are one big family. So
you and I.
What are you talking about?
No, you and us.
That is what I'm saying. Let us end this fight.
Are you really okay?
I'm okay. I'm alright. There's no problem at all. Please, just tell them I say so.
Well, no problem. You can go now.
But
you can go. You have dropped the message.
But you understand what I'm saying? Please, tell them, man. I will see everybody this evening.
I don't know who you are. Who doesn't know this Ekwensu, this devil? I reject it. Back to sender. Ihe nyore akwụkwọ n'ike. Ebe na agbara gị. Ahịa apụ maka mana. We will never have meeting with you. Ị na-achọ onye na-egbu ọbara m akụchie mụ na ụmụ m.
Ndị mmadụ na-aja obi ya. O webulu nke nwanne. Ilo nasi ajaka, ilo nasi ajaka, ilo nasi ajaka na jawulo onwe ya. Oyem rakiji ya, rakiji ya. Oyem rakiji ya, ezi oyem rakiji ya. Oyem rakiji.
Hey! Okay. She is hiding this from me. Emua. Chendoka. Yeah. Everybody is now mad. And she's hiding it from me. Her sister rushed her to the hospital. Where she is now. Oh. No. I know it. But is there anything hidden from under the heat of the sun? No. Very soon, it shall be open. The news will be everywhere. Everywhere. Hey.
What's your problem now?
Kenna, I cannot date you.
Hey.
Why are you disturbing me? I cannot date you. What is it? I don't understand. Upon all the insults I've given you in this village, yet you are still following me up and down.
Your insults are sexy. They are very sexy insults. That's why I'm receiving it. Okay? What's your problem now? Fine boy like me now.
Fine boy.
Yeah?
Fine boy in my foot. Fine boy that is busy dragging lands with all the women in this village. Land that cannot even be owned by your father. I don't understand.
Hey,
where are you going to now? No, come back. You see that you have to take off. Come back here. Come back.
I didn't say no.
Where are you running?
I didn't say no. Fear.
Where are you running?
Look at him. Look at him. I don't like Tolo. I will go do it.
Why eat?
Ebuka, you mad?
Eat fowl, chicken. You are coming.
You are not chicken here. Stop wasting food.
Go this side. I said, shut. Come on, go this side.
What is happening to my son?
You. Take this one.
Hey! Ebuka, are you mad?
Papa.
What happened? Okay.
Papa.
What happened?
It's your own. Fast.
See what Ebuka is doing.
What is going on?
See your brother. Look at your brother Ebuka. He says he's feeding chicken and there's no chicken here.
Small. Hey! Papa, this is back to sender.
It is not possible.
Hey!
My son cannot go mad.
They've sent it back. Oh, this is back to sender. Oh,
don't tell me that.
Papa, Ebube is not mad. Ebube is hale and hearty. I saw her on the road.
That's a lie. It's not possible.
It's not a lie. Ebube is not running mad. Hey!
It's not possible now. Up here!
Get here.
Up here! Okay. Jackie Chan! Okay. Hold your brother!
Who? Papa.
Hold your brother! I want to get it. Hold your brother! Hey! Hold your brother! Let me call people. Look at my son. Look at my son. They will laugh at me. People will laugh at me. Oh, hey!
Okay, my friend, calm down. Ebuka will be fine.
You introduced me to that man, though.
Yes, he will.
Hey! Hey!
Papa, hey. Let's do something before this thing escalates to something else. Yeah? Hey! Papa. Let's do something now. If this road cuts now, Ebuka will enter market. Come. That charm is meant for Ebube now. Or do you mistakenly cast it on your son?
How could I have made that kind of mistake? Eh? I went to their house. I cast the spell on Ebube. Eh? But look at my son. And this morning, he came and said he saw them. Ebube and his sister. They were walking around, just enjoying themselves. Hell and heart, nothing is happening to them.
And you sure you sent the spell to them?
That is why I'm telling you, I went to their house.
Ebuka, in Ayala. Hey! Okay, that means after you finish sending it, the thing now returned back and attacked your son.
That's what I'm saying. And you introduced me to the man, remember? You took me to that man.
There's no problem.
Yeah.
What do I do? We have to travel back to that man and see if he has a solution to this. Yes.
Then why don't we go immediately?
Let's go.
No, please, let's go. Let me get some money. Yeah. In fact, let's go. Hold him. Where's the chicken outside there? Okay, please. Let me look.
My chicken.
Oh, yeah, please be fast.
My chicken. Chicken.
Papa, take it. Let's go. Hold him. Hey!
Snake in the monkey shadow. Where's snake in the monkey shadow over there, baby? You can stop that.
Hey! Hey!
Do you know why you have
please hold him. Hold him. Welcome me wholeheartedly.
Mara na mgbe onye ahụ wọsị ka eme udo. Mgbe ahụ ka onye mma ihe kwesịrị ịsọ ya asọ. Ịmarọ. Because this thing you're saying is different from what you have in your heart.
Exactly.
Onye na-amarọ gị.
But you don't understand. Just understand what we are.